Mr. Robert, what can I do for you?
You can do so many things. That's why I invite you here. Relax, young man. First of all, I would like to know, where are you from?
Actually, I was born in Manipur, but I left my family because of some problem. It's a long story.
Surprise! You are from Manipur. Then you must be knowing Manipuri.
Why not?
Chakshar, bro.
Of course, but I have forgotten most of the words now.
Bravo, young man. Let me speak in Manipuri. Nanga aiga business ama tawminagadaba lay.
Mr. Robert, what kind of business you want to do with me?
Aingonda paisa lay. Aingonda mi lay. Aingonda nongmay lay. I have everything except you.
I'm sorry, Mr. Robert. How can I believe in you? So let me go.
Wait a minute, young man. Haidi bo afo masina. Namthak oiram labadi. Nongmay asina aigi laibak ase masung mari thongna kaiba oisinu. Karigumba wasak aduda namthak oiram labadi. Nahaksu.
Okay, then give me your hand. Wow.
Welcome to my residence. They all are my men. Here, you will get everything.
What a good news, Robert. Pare. Pare. अच्छा. हट मालिश फजन तरुण ना करी लेब ले रे
Oh,
अरे नंग मिट्टी करी येंग ले रे करम बंगाओ मीनुसी एरो सारी रो अनो मुबु उपदु उद्रे फैसला असी खुला लंग थो नत्रदी असी खुपांग थार तालनी मिरक्ता सुरुप थक पया द्रे नंग खंग द्रो खुलो थुना
I'm sorry.
नंग से हेरो सारी ने नंग से हेरो सारी रो खुपांग थोर नंग खुपांग
When someone says sorry, why don't you forgive him? You idiot.
अरे बावरे
This is your first lesson.
कर मीनुसी ngau miro